सबसे पहले तो कशी सोना collection to be the part of this event and to be the part of this opening.
I love coming to beautiful stores and seeing and trying on beautiful clothes. So I was very, very happy and I'm very excited. I want to congratulate Shimona. It's a beautiful collection. I'm wearing my favorite color, which is pink, of course. I think Sona looks stunning as well. And we've just had a lovely tour of the upstairs store. The store itself, the designing is so beautiful, whoever's done the interiors. And I know that Shimona Di, of course, does jewelry as well as clothes. It's really affordable. It's just opened in South Mumbai, so she's new from Bengal. So we're very excited to welcome her to Mumbai.
Well, I feel beautiful. Like Soha said, that all girls love to play dress up, and we love dressing up. And when there are outfits and the clothes like what Simona has designed, it just adds to it. And I've had a very good time. I feel really beautiful, and for me, that's very important. Whenever I'm wearing an outfit, it's very important for me to feel beautiful and feel good about myself, and I think that's what her designs do. So I'm really thankful that we have Calcutta here, and I think she's doing a beautiful job. Yeah, and I think I'll be a very frequent visitor here, and I'll be wearing a lot of her designs.
I hope so, yeah.
If we talk about your personal style statement, what it is all about. So our first
Well, I think it's important to dress according to the occasion. So, अगर आपको शादी के लिए जाना हो, तो then I'd like to wear lehengas. I like saris. I have a lot of Indian formal outfits in my wardrobe. What I like about Shimona Di's collection also is that it ranges from wearable, smart, casual, something that you would wear to a sangeet or to a dinner, and then all the way, of course, to bridal couture stuff. So it's a broad range to please everyone.
Well, my style also, like Soha said, that it really depends on the occasion. And what I like about Shimona's collection is that it's very rich, and it looks beautiful, but at the same time, it's very, very affordable. And there's a wide range, and the fabrics that she uses are all very, very pure. So I think it's really pure value for money, and I think everyone's happy. We're looking beautiful and we can afford it, so it's fantastic.
नहीं, मैं शॉपिंग जब भी करती हूँ तो अकेले आती हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत टाइम लगाती हूँ और वो बहुत इम्पेशेंट हो जाते हैं, तो इट्स बेस्ट टू शॉप अलोन.
अगर हम ड्रेस की बात करें, आज आपने क्या पहना है?
आज मैंने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत लहंगा पहना है. जैसे मैंने कहा, ये मेरा सबसे पसंदीदा रंग है, विच इज़ पिंक, और एक बहुत ही लाइट नेट का दुपट्टा है. दिस फैब्रिक आई थिंक Shimona Di can tell us more about. So it's pure silk. All her work is whether it's pure georgette, it's pure silk, raw silk, which are again fabrics that I love. So there's a lot of that. There's some beautiful Lucknowi chicken work also upstairs, but this is just a beautiful pink lehenga.
If you talk about Sonal, then you also tell about the dress.
Well, I can only talk about the colors and the way I feel.
It's a pure velvet.
Sorry, I can only So my lehenga, which is the lower part of the outfit, it's a really heavy one, but I think it's really beautiful. It's pure velvet with some beautiful work on it, and I think the gold against the blue looks really, really nice. So she's done a great job, and I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
Thank you.